Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. My name is Tanay Ol, and I'm an anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry veterans to come together to share their knowledge, ideas, thoughts, and best practices with one another, as well as with upcoming industry leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings of all our industry stalwarts. We hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leader interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone as they help us to identify, nurture, and work on trade secrets that have already proven a success formula for so many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge sharing community. We have one such highly acclaimed name on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Hitesh Daiya. We welcome you on the show, sir.
Hi, thank you.
With over 1.5 decades of experience, endowed with a discerning vision of leadership and governance, he epitomizes a reservoir of professional proficiencies extending across domains and specializing in PMP. Currently, he orchestrates programs and projects within Magic Finserv and Edtech, ensuring their seamless execution and unwavering commitment to excellence. He adeptly crafts strategic plans, vigilantly monitors progress, swiftly tackles challenges, and implements effective solutions within his purview. His responsibilities encompass establishing robust governance frameworks, managing financial resources, and ensuring alignment with project objectives. Furthermore, he diligently oversees stakeholder engagements, orchestrates team meetings, and navigates potential risks with foresight. His commitment to transparent communications ensures stakeholders are kept informed of project advancements and maintains accountability at all levels. So, sir, to begin with, could you provide us with an overview of your professional journey and key experiences that have led to your current role?
Thanks, Tanay, for wonderful introduction. And as stated by you, my name is Hitesh Daiya. I am currently employed at Magic Software Private Limited as a senior consultant project manager. My primary responsibilities is to oversee the project from inception to completion, coordinate with various projects, the product teams, the vendors, and different verticals that we have. Additionally, I am tasked with the developing and implementing the process across teams, across all verticals of current organization. I started my journey from the Caragon systems in 2008, where I spent approx more than 9+ years. When I joined this company, the company was in startup phase only. So I got an opportunities to work with them closely with the clients which they have, and on the change management, client management, project life cycle, and agile principles, because at that time the agile was the newly introduced in the software industry, and it brings so many values to the end customers. So agile was the uh, uh, thing which had started in that organization, and slowly steadily the principles and value we introduced to the company, which help us to grow from the 4 to 5 people to the 230 plus peoples in 2017. In 2017, I got the opportunity to work at Bitstreet Technologies Private Limited, where I got a chance to work on different technologies like a blockchain, cryptocurrency related products, and the financial systems. I play a key role on leading the entire teams who are working on this different technologies. So in 2019, I got the chance to work with the Birlasoft, where the uh, Z5 related OTT platform we had managed, we had handled, and we had developed many solutions for them. So I was the leading person over there on the front of Z5. And in 2019, I joined Birlasoft as a project manager, where I was leading the Z5 team. Z5 is basically the OTT platform
Yeah.
That was the first opportunity where the OTT platform I was managing, I was handling, and I got the huge knowledge and chance to work with them. So I learned efforts to make our projects run better, encourage different teams to work together, and kept finding ways to make things even better for everyone in the company. Along with this, in the Birlasoft, I got a chance to work with these different cement industry leaders also. For them, we had developed some IT applications, which again brings good domain knowledge of cement industry also. Overall, cumulatively, if I'll say, since I completed my bachelor degree in information technology in 2008, uh, I got to work and I have a good experience of domains like financial systems, the payroll systems, the ERP, OTT platform, and cryptocurrency. Throughout my career, I always been eager to learn new things, to learn new technology, and provide the solution by using that new technologies and bring the new business. So that's the overall career that I have, right?
Mhm. So, could you elaborate on a particularly challenging project you have managed in your career, detailing the obstacles faced and ways you overcome them with astounding results?
Yeah, certainly. There are, when I say project management and handling multiple of projects with teams, we faced multiple challenges on different projects. But I'll like to discuss one project which was handled in the Bed Street organization, because the as I mentioned earlier also, the blockchain technology was newly introduced. Many people was keen to learn this technology. So in the Bitstreet organization, we got a chance to work for one banking sector client where the we have to develop the blockchain based financial systems. This project presented had at that time many several obstacles that requires to innovation, solution, and effective management. Some of the obstacles was like understanding the technology, the blockchain technology itself, the regulatory compliance, and the integration complexity, because whenever this kind of systems are getting developed and introduced to the integrated with the existing system, it's a huge and complex task. To
Yeah.
overcome this kind of solutions, we initially first step was to understand the entire blockchain technology. We hired we contracted with some industry experts who knows this technology. We trained our entire team uh, on the blockchain technology. We hired some regulatory compliance experts from different region. Like US have different regulation, India have the different regulation. Even in Europe, data privacy, even in related to the blockchain technology, the cryptocurrency related, some regulatory compliance are totally different. So we hired the expert and we got the details from them. We handled to manage this obstacle also. And at the end, the last obstacle was the integration with the existing system. This is again one huge challenge that we had, which we overcome by providing the different APIs along with the blockchain-based systems. So the legacy system can easily interact with the newly developed system. So this was the challenging project which I had, and this entire project was we was working. The entire team was working for more than 2 years during the bid street. Yeah.
So, what are some qualities that you swear by in your day-to-day professional life with which you have been able to deliver consistent outcomes?
In my everyday work life, there are multiple qualities which I swear to give the better results on daily basis. Some of them are like the effective communication, adaptability, problem solving skills, attention to details, leadership skills, the organization skills, stakeholder management, and continuous learning. Ethical conduct is also the important skill which I hold. I focus on that. At the last, also one point I want to discuss is the customer focus. Whenever I'm discussing any requirement or any problem, it's not only about getting the client onboarded. If we understand that problem, we can provide them the best solution. Second most critical skill which I feel is like the communication, the effective communication. Whenever we say effective communication, it should be timely also, because whenever we are discussing with any client, any person, the not only the client but also into the organization, the communication should be the very clear and on timely manner. This helps us to avoid many problems, and this communication skill help us to bring actual successful results which are expected to have.
So, what are some corporate governance related responsibilities you've handled, and what piqued your interest in ESG?
In my professional journey, I had the opportunity to handle various corporate governance related responsibilities, which have been integral to ensure the effective management and ethical conduct of organization. Some of these responsibilities include board governance, the policy development across the organization, risk management, compliance oversight, the ethical conduct, stakeholder engagement, and corporate social responsibilities. In this, all there are that the important ESG, the environmental social governance factor. My interest in this area stems from the recognition of growing importance of these particular things into the industry itself. When I attend after pandemic, when I attend the AGMs of different organizations, I realized that yes, these things previously from the very shorter introduction of related activities that company was doing, and how that comes means it becomes now regulatory compliance that is required, and companies had started following and coming up on the same format, which helps us. So this kind of activities helps me, sparks me to take more interest in the ESG. I find ESG initiative really interesting because they can make a big difference as per my understanding, and as per uh, uh, the industry right now. They are innovating and they are continuously involving in ESG principles. They help companies to do good things for the environment, for the social activities, the peoples who are working in the into the organization. Uh, this through this ESG things, I think that following the ESG principle matches what I care about personally. Also, I believe in leading the ethical, uh, taking care of environment, and being a good corporate citizen. So I am excited to find ways of using ESG ideas more and help to make good things happen for the world.
As an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
As an ESG corporate governance experts, I bring a set of core values and competency to the table that are like the integrity, accountability, collaboration, sustainability, ethical leadership, continuous improvement, stakeholder engagement, are some key values which I can bring to the table. Regarding the preference, I'm totally open with the executive and non-executive directorship roles. So I have the a huge experience of different verticals. As I mentioned previously, also the different domains, the commercial, the cement, the OPT, and other IT services we had provided, the bio products experience that I have. So I can bring more values with sustainable growth for the organization. Overall, I'm ready for a new challenge and opportunity to that aligns with my values also, because after spending 15 years into the organization and this sector in IT industry, I personally feel it's time to give actual core values to the organization wherever I am. or I will be. So the ESG, I feel, are the can would be the next step where uh, we can bring good principles of ESGs into the organization, and we can sustain the organization by using these principles.
So, what are some ways you believe that you can leverage technological advents like IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, cloud, big data, Web 3.0, etc. in your field?
Yeah, as I belongs to IT industry only, so this all technology difference will really help the organization to grow. The AI/ML, the data analytics, the blockchain technology, cloud-based technology, digital twin, big data. These are all technologies are somewhere bringing good data for the organization. If I take the example, enhanced data analytics, utilizing the AI/ML algorithms, this will help to analyze the huge amount of data, the big data technology, using big data analytics to measure benchmark across the different industries performance metrics. This will help to understand where we are standing, where our competitor stands, and by using these technologies we can bring good results for the organizations. We can say blockchain technology, as a blockchain technology are is something like introduced for provides the transparency and accountability. So implementing blockchain technology to enhance transparency and accountability into the supply chain systems, into the financial transaction, and some corporate reporting also. We can use this blockchain technology. When say AI powered compliance monitoring systems, this helps us if developing this AI powered tools to monitor regulatory changes, compliance requirement, and corporate governance standards in real time. The This enables organizations to adapt quickly to regulatory changes and ensure compliance across all level of the organizations. For the Web 3.0, we can it's a decentralized governance. We can use it like a decentralized governance practice. We can use this technology also. In iota we are seeing everywhere IoT for sustainable monitoring. We are using, whether we have the watches, we are going into the malls, what we are doing, how whatever data that we are bring IoT brings, that the devices brings, that can be monitored, that can be used. We can use this kind of sensors to for the energy consumption. So this technology will really help the organization to manage their resources at the real time itself.
Right.
Overall, by leveraging these technologies, I believe organization can not only enhance their governance practice but also drive sustainable growth, foster stakeholder trust, and create long-term value for the shareholders and the society as well.
So we're building a community here of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. What are your thoughts about this initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Eval Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
I believe the efforts made by Mr. Pathan and Mehta, it's priceless. It's priceless because this kind of initiatives has the potential to encourage teamwork, innovation, and sharing of knowledge among the business. There are multiple of business verticals running, so this kind of activities are really will help different organization to collaboratively look for the good knowledge and share the knowledge between them. Bringing together experts from various fields offers a chance for different ideas and experience to mix. This sharing of insights among two professionals can lead to new strategies and solutions that benefits the entire business or say organization as well as the society. Establishing the platform for sharing the knowledge is crucial, and that is the reason I personally feel, if in summary, if I'll say, initiatives like this not only improves the work life uh, of individual, but also have the potential to create a significant positive impact. uh, I'll like to say thanks to Mr. Pathan and Mehta and the entire World Development Corporation team for their dedication to build such kind of beneficial community for the industry leaders.
Great, sir. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will truly inspire future leaders. Thank you so much for joining us today and wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute unquestionably has expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their minds. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Tanay. Thanks.
Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye.